Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you are in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you again in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys, on my channel, what I try to do, if there's a couple of things during the add-ons that pop up, that if I want 1 or 2 items to try, I build it up to get 5 items. And with those 5 items, I create my own, what I call customized bag, minus the actual bag that we would get if we were buying a mystery bag. But this way I'm getting to choose the items that I want to put in, all 5 of them into my bag based on the add-ons. And I usually try to do it within the $3 section. And I think I got really lucky with a lot of the items in here. Most of them are full size. So excited to have the opportunity to share with you what I chose for my customized bag. So starting with Tatcha. This is one that I have shared with you so many times. I have had the luxury through the shopping channels, and I think they had a fantastic relationship with QVC when I got introduced to Tatcha. And I got introduced to, when you watch those channels, which I haven't done in a long time, you get to meet the actual owners of the brand or the people that work directly with the brand. So you really get to know the story and everything about it. And it's such a luxury brand, and everything behind it is so well thought out and done. It's just a fantastic story. On top of it, the products are absolutely amazing. The fact that we get to try the Tatcha brand for so many of us in the $3 section is absolutely fantastic, because when I used to get the kits on QVC, they were $100 and plus, and there was usually maybe just 2 or 3 items in the kit. But I got introduced to essences, I got introduced to so many fantastic products, and it is a line that I feel a lot of people, their skin will enjoy. I also found out from one of my commenters, that one of my subscribers, that she said she stocks up on it on this size because if she equals out the amount that the full size cost based on getting these in the $3 section, she feels she gets more value on these. I like this size because I used to travel a lot. So these were always what I would purchase and grab and put them in my bag, but they were never $3. So this is their rice wash. This one is at 20 ml. It is a deluxe sample size. I did pay $3 for this. And they're saying that this is a creamy cleanser that uses rice powder, amino acids, and hyaluronic acid to gently wash away impurities without stripping your skin, leaving your complexion softer and more luminous. It says massage into the deep skin to create a creamy lather and rinse thoroughly. It's cruelty-free, never tested on animals. And about the brand, they're saying it is rooted in the classical Japanese beauty rituals. Tatcha remasters time-tested ingredients into clean formulas that will transform you inside and out. And if you've ever received any packaging directly from this company, everything, even the way they package their products, you feel like you're giving yourself the most luxurious gift. In reference to this product, there's a safety seal on here. I tried to peel it back a little bit so that I'd be able to share it with you here. It comes out in a nice, solid, almost, it's not lotiony, that's what I'm trying to say. It's not going to drip down, so you can really be good with the amount that you put on. And then when you add water to it, it really does lather up nicely. You will feel a little bit of, I think, the rice in it, but really, really very, very small, almost like sand particles. But it, as you wash your face more and more, it completely dissipates, and then it foams up a little bit. It is such a pleasant scent. It is such a clean scent. It's that spa-like scent that I enjoy so, so much. But this is such a luxury. And like I said, if you've never had the opportunity to try Tatcha, for $3, it is absolutely something that I think you will really, really enjoy. The next item in here that I never saw in the add-on section before is Refreshments. This is definitely the full size, and this was in the $3 section. And this is their hand cream, and it's in coconut colada. So to me, like pina colada, I thought that would be scrumptious to have as a hand cream. and I've never tried their hand cream, but I have had the opportunity to get in a PR package from IPSY the razor, as well as the shaving cream, and some shampoos and conditioners, and all of them blew me away. So I could not wait, because I'm a girl that loves hand cream. This is, like they said, they're full size. It's 2 fluid ounces. They're saying this is only $8, which is absolutely fantastic. And they're saying your hands feeling less than touchable soft. Show them some much love needed TLC with this skin soothing cuticle softening treatment that will quickly absorb too, meaning no greasy feeling left behind. And that yummy tropical scent. It will give you the instant vacay vibes, which is what I'm hoping for. So this is drop a dollop onto your hands and rub it and reapply as needed. It is the perfect size to easily stash in your bag. I think this is huge. And it says Refreshments is a line of 100% vegan and cruelty-free essentials for your face and for your body. I also saw, and I shared with you in the add-ons, this also came, I think, with a safety seal, if I'm not mistaken, and I removed it. In the add-ons and a lot of the sales that were coming up for the Christmas holiday, and they're starting to come out with candles and a bunch of other products that the scents sounded scrumptious. So looking forward to seeing more and more from the Refreshments brand. And this here is the hand cream. So let's see what this, yeah, this is really, really nice. Let me see. It's not that strong a scent. I thought it would smell more like coconut or like I was hoping more like the Soleil de Janeiro, that type. It's not like that at all. It's a very, very light scent, and my skin just drank it in. Like, that is crazy. So not sticky at all. Really, really excited about that. The next item I thought was really cool, and it was also from the Refreshments brand, and it was this item here. It came in this packaging. I didn't think it was going to be this big, but it is going to be amazing to hang in the shower with this little hook on here. I thought it would be a great way to be able to comb out my hair in the shower with some of the treatments and things. So I said, you know what? I don't have one in the shower, and for $3, I thought this would be an absolute win. And this is really, really well made. This one is a $6 value. They're saying it says Tangles to be tamed comb in Lavender Fizz. They're saying this is full size. It is an accessory. It says kiss knots goodbye with this gentle comb that detangles like a dream. It's got wide teeth that easily combs through even the toughest of tangles on both wet and dry hair. The best part, it won't cause frizz or ruin your curls and plays nice with all kinds of hair textures. It says you can comb through wet or dry hair for smooth, snag-free strands. It comes in a super cute lavender shade, and like they said, Refreshments is 100% vegan and cruelty-free. So that is what this looks like here. I was really impressed. Like, look at the size of this guy, and it is really well made. It's not the type that you could bend or any of that. It's a really, really well made product, which you would expect from an IPSY brand. The next item was one that I've shared with you in the past, but in different colors. This is from the brand called HipDot. I got introduced to HipDot through the IPSY world, and I fell in love with the Xeon palette. And if you haven't tried that palette, that one, if you like the colors that I like with those peaches and just so gorgeous, very Grand Canyon type of theme to that palette, is just stunning. So when I saw this one, I knew that one of them in the middle was going to be like a glitter, which is not my fave, but I knew that the other two colors I thought were going to be spectacular, and I love the HipDot eyeshadow ingredients, as well as how the formula works. So I'm going to share this one with you. This one here says this is also, they're considering this full size. They're saying this is $12 value, and they're saying no, I'm talking about the wrong item first. Sorry. This is the full size. This is also from HipDot. This is a $12 value. This is a brush. And I tell you all the time, I do not need any more brushes, but this brush, I have not tried any from the HipDot line. And like I said, I was so impressed with their eyeshadows that I wanted to definitely give this one a whirl. And this one is what they're calling their contour brush. And this is what it looks like here. The actual handle is beyond stunning, and it is a very soft brush. But like I said, I don't really need any more brushes. I was just very curious, and I needed to get up to 5, and then this I knew was going to be full size and a good value, so I figured that I would add it to it. And this, they're saying, is a $12 contour brush, and they're saying contour like a pro with this tapered brush. This is a soft sheared bristle that provides a natural contour application and can be used with your favorite powder, cream, or liquid makeup products to sculpt and blend for targeted application all around your face. You can use it to apply your favorite contour, highlighter, and blush with precision and ease. It's vegan and cruelty-free. And about the brand, they're saying it is an exhilarating, energetic, and bold. HipDot is rewriting the rules of beauty with products that let you be your most creative self. So this is the next item. So now we're gonna get to the eyeshadow, which is the one I was excited to be able to share with you. This one is called the Witchy Warms Nouveau 2. It is a trio in Unknown, FineArt, and Salem. They're saying this is a deluxe sample, and they're saying create your most gorgeous fall eye looks with this mix of mattes, glitters, and shimmers from HipDot's beloved Witchy Warms and Nude Nouveau 2 palettes, and I don't own either of those. Each shade is soft, smooth, and blends like a dream. Unknown is a Toffee Brown FineArt, is a holographic orange glitter, and Salem is a deep burgundy matte. It says you can use an eyeshadow brush to blend onto the lids, mix, match, and layer to create your look. It's vegan and cruelty-free, and that is, let me show you what this looks like here, and we'll do some swatches. So that is what this looks like here. Those are the 3 shades. To me, this is that perfect little something to have in your purse. And these 2 shades for sure on the end, I will use 100%. The glitter in the middle, it's always nice to have in your arsenal, but I'm not a girl that gravitates towards glitters at all. It's just not my world anymore, or ever was really. But what I think is nice about it is it's nice to always have it available. And then, like I said, those 2 shades I think are absolutely stunning. And again, this HipDot brand, in reference to their eyeshadows, I think are a winner. And I'm just gonna do a light little bit here so we can see what that color is. The color is stunning. So maybe if I used, you know, one of those glitter glues, which I do have from Too Faced, maybe I'll do it one day, but it's something that I never reach for. But what a stunning, stunning shade. So if you're a girl that loves the glitters, or you're like me and you like just the neutrals, this to me for $3 is an absolute win to get 2 shadows and to have a glitter in your arsenal in case you want to use it, or if you have you know, a younger member in your family that, you know, wants to play with some of your makeup, this might be something that they would gravitate to 100%. And that's everything that I chose for my custom bag that I received. So as I said, we got majority of this is full size. We got a full size hand cream, we got a humongous comb, we got a full size brush, we got an eyeshadow trio, as well as the Tatcha cleanser. To me, this is something that I know I'm going to use and enjoy every single one of them. And the fact that we have access to these products for $3 each, free ship to our door, I think is an absolute winner. Take care, everybody. Stay well. Share in the comments down below if you've had the opportunity to use any of these products, or if you've picked up something in the $3 section that you want me to know about and that I should try. Take care. Stay well. See you soon. See you in the next one. Bye for now.